Come on, come on, come on, come out, come out. Send out, yes. So, I'm out of here for the next 2 weeks. Time to get this Scania ready. Let's go. Locked. And power. Gas off. And I'm out. This is a CNG gas car, not well gas and petrol, so the gas tank is empty. Let's go!
You're it. Show it. Say it.
Shoot! Huh? It's actually a slipper. So, right now it's a Friday morning. Mika said that he came here on Tuesday and he's been going on like crazy. He has removed the doors, the sunroof. He has started straightening the roof, the small indent in it. There was the hole that I punched when I tried to straighten this. So he has patched that one. Not sure if he has patched anything else yet. The driver side door is off too, and he's been just sanding like crazy. Dad is going to a store getting some suction cups, and the windshield is coming off today. The mask has to come off, and today there is sanding, some more sanding, and a lot more sanding, because the forecast is saying rain for tomorrow, meaning Saturday. So the primer has to go on today. And the fender cover was off from the other side. And here are some of the parts. The driver door looks to be primered, bondoed, and he fixed the dent on that. Probably welded the hinges. There's the parts we primered last time. That's maybe not primer. The mirrors are still soaking, and the other fender cover that needs probably same treatment as the other one. The fender itself, the second door is here to be prepped, and steps. So yeah, Mika has been here 3 days all by himself and has done a lot of progress. And I got some goodies ordered, the horns, lights, etc. A friend of mine is coming today. He's bringing some parts for us, and yeah, I guess I better get to sanding with Mika. Or actually, probably unbox everything first. Let's start with this one. Whee! Woo! CBN needs holes. Lights. reverse camera. And then the big box. So I think these aren't my parts, these are for a friend. Yeah. These are his parts. How does this box work? Shiny. Oh no. And here should be the mounting hardware. Oh yeah. This box should have this. These are his. These are ours. Nice. Very nice. So, those need to be drilled. Holes covered. Old holes covered. Drill a hole for this one. Ouch.
Kävikö sä hakemassa sen välillä?
Pääsit hinkutamaan.
Juu.
Niin piirturilapun saat nykiä pois.
No. Eikö se tuu sormi? Vaihtele puolelle.
Sylihän se.
Odota.
Se kulho.
Ota.
Oh.
No, perkele. I brought myself better letters here. Ladders. Better ladders, not letters. So. Oh man. This is going to be a really busy day. So it's what, 15 to 11 in the morning, and I don't know when the rain is coming, but I think we have like 6 to 7 hours max to sand everything. Let's see if we can make it. Fix the rust around the windshield and everything. Mask it out, remove these, make cover plates, and yeah, a lot. We did a surprising find. Rust. So, more welding. Once again.
No way.
And now follows interesting section. Dad is cleaning the windshield. Mika has cleaned the inside, and Mika is already peeling the gasket off, which is meaning that the windshield is coming off, and yeah, this might get interesting. Hopefully not.
Täytyykö laittaa keskemmälle?
Wow, the glass is out. A bit rusty. I've seen worse, but yeah, damn, not a success. As with everything on this project, Mika was meant to only replace the outer sheet, but the inner one looked so bad that we need to do both of them. So yeah, not nice. But on the positive note, the roof is starting to look better. I need to finish it, and yeah, it looks so weird right now. That has been done. Mika is finishing that corner. Oh! Old knees can't take that. So, shit is getting serious. We're cleaning up everything, getting ready to spray the primer. Damn, that evaporates fast. So that was basic brake clean, and now is the silicone remover. So, the goodies have arrived. These will all be mounted on the roof. The sign, it has a light inside it, and it will be taped to our name. And the spoiler, it will be, I need to figure out the perfect spot for it so that the train horns and everything can go past it. But it will also be painted red, and at some point I will probably get some parking lights for it. The ladders, I had no use for it, but they were cheap and they match the theme and the era, so why not? And one last thing, I got lots of sound insulation. A lot of it. There is some more. So that's for the future. When we work inside the gap. But right now everything is masked up. Mika has mixed the paint. Everything has been wiped clean. And time to start adding the primer.
it.